Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add this Astra theme in your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is usually like your website.com/wp-admin. If you enter this, you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to enter your username, email ID, username or email address and password and click on login. Once you are logged in, head over to the left sidebar and hover on this appearance option and click on this themes option. Now at the top, click on add new button. You will be taken to the theme repository where you can search for thousands of free themes that are available in the WordPress. Here in the search bar at the top right, here type Astra. You will see the Astra theme appear with its clean purple logo. Okay, click on install option. Once it's installed, click on activate option. Boom. Here you can see just like that, Astra is now your active WordPress theme. Here you can see there are options like let's get started with the starter templates, and if you want to use Astra starter templates, you can install the starter templates plugin to import beautiful demo sites in just a few clicks. I will cover this tutorial in another video, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. And that's it. You have successfully installed the Astra theme on your WordPress website. Simple, right? Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.